In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a video on your TikTok business account. If you've been eager to share great content on TikTok and amplify your business's presence, you've come to the right place. We're going to walk through this process step by step, ensuring that by the end, you'll be posting like a pro. To begin, navigate to TikTok's official website and log in. For convenience, you can proceed with Continue with Google if you have a Google account. This will streamline the login process, sparing you from remembering another password. Once you click Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you wish to use. Make your selection and proceed. This will take you to a window asking for permissions. Here, you simply click on Continue to grant TikTok access to your Google account details necessary for logging in. After successfully logging in, you'll land on the TikTok homepage. Here, you're greeted by a plethora of trending videos. But our goal today is to upload your unique content. To do this, look for and click on the Upload button, usually visible at the top or bottom corner of the screen, depending on your device. Clicking Upload brings you to the TikTok studio where the magic happens. Here you'll find the Select Video option. Click on it to browse through your device's storage and pick the video you want to share. But remember, TikTok thrives on short, engaging content, so choose wisely. Once you've selected your video, it's time to craft your post. The first step in this creative phase is to write a captivating description. This text accompanies your video and can be the hook that draws viewers in, so consider your words carefully. Next, enhance your post's discoverability by adding relevant hashtags. Hashtags link your video to a broader conversation and can significantly increase its visibility. Also, consider mentioning other TikTok users if your content is relevant to them or if you're collaborating. This can foster a sense of community and interaction around your post. But before you go public, you must decide who gets to see your video. TikTok offers various privacy options, including making your video visible to everyone, friends, or only me. For business accounts looking to maximize reach, everyone is typically the go-to setting. However, the option to limit viewership can be useful for content that's in progress or meant for a select audience. After fine-tuning these details, it's time to hit post. This final step shares your video with the world or the audience you've selected, and voila, you've successfully uploaded content to your TikTok business account. Now, while our walkthrough ends here, your journey with TikTok is just beginning. Engage with those who interact with your content, explore trends for inspiration, and always be on the lookout for ways to innovate your posts. Remember, consistency and creativity are key on TikTok, so there you have it. A comprehensive guide to posting on your TikTok business account. Experiment with different types of videos, gauge the responses from your audience, and adjust your strategy accordingly. With persistence and a flair for engaging content, you're well on your way to TikTok success. Happy posting?